Let's do addition and subtraction on fingers. To add on fingers, show the number first to which we have to add another number. Then we take the number of fingers which have to be added. Let's add 2 plus 1 plus 1. Show number 2 by taking index and middle finger on your right hand. In order to add 1, take the next finger, that is your ring finger. Now to add another 1, take one more finger. Now read the value on fingers as taught in orbit 2. So your answer is 4. Let's add 3 plus 1 plus 5. Show number 3 on your right hand by taking 3 fingers. To add 1, take one more finger, that is little finger. As we know the value of thumb is 5, so add 5. Take thumb of your right hand. Read the numbers on your fingers. Your answer is 9. Let's do subtraction on fingers. To show subtraction on fingers, put the fingers down. Let's subtract 4 minus 1 minus 1. Show 4 on your right hand by taking 4 fingers. To subtract 1, put one finger down. Now, in order to subtract another 1, put one more finger down. Read the value. Your answer is 2. Let's subtract 4 minus 2 minus 1. Show 4 on your right hand by taking 4 fingers. To subtract 2, put 2 fingers down. In order to subtract 1, put one more finger down. Read the value. Your answer is 1. Let's do subtraction and addition together on fingers. To add numbers on fingers, raise the fingers, and in order to subtract, put them down. Let's solve the following. 5 plus 4 minus 3. Show number 5 on fingers by taking thumb of your right hand. To add 4, take 4 fingers of your right hand. In order to subtract 3, put down 3 fingers out of 4 and read the value of one thumb and one finger of your right hand. Read the value together. Your answer is 6.